told me sweet lies, sweet love. Heaven with a bottom of the truth.
That ain't your food, Zach. That's Steve's food. If you want some food, I'll give you some of Andrew's pain food, and you won't want seconds of that.
Some people said I was crazy when I brought a linebacker on our Res Life staff, but I am a firm proponent of paradigm breaking, outside the box thinking. And since Andrew's been here, our productivity has been up 46%, our residents have never been more satisfied, and policy is being enforced like never before.
Hey, pass me the ball. Baby, you know there ain't no horseplay in my house. I'm an enforcer, man. Don't nothing go down in my house. 100% heart. Sure, I checked a few fools. I give them the pain. But sometimes, it's about intimidation. Mind games.
Walking by the pattern of his youth.
Check razor! Check razor! The pain train's coming, baby! Woo woo! Woo woo! I got it! I got it! It's in there! It's in there! Thank you, Andrew! Thank you, guys! Ah!
But what's really impressed me is how Andrew has become a part of the Res Life family. He fits right in here.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Blanche!
It's when we combine these three spheres do we develop the greatest community. Are there any questions? You know you can't bring that weak sauce up in this Humpty Bumpty! Hey, Janice!
Hey, Andrew!
You know there's no pets allowed in the apartments!
Now that's not to say that Andrew's gone soft. He still does what he does best. The Res Life environment is, in fact, a violent world. And sometimes injuries do occur.
Yeah. Hey, Amanda.
Ah!
Oh, no, dude.
No!
No, I'm sorry. No, Andrew. Playing her? Baby, that don't faze me. I don't got time for pain. The only pain I got time for is the pain I put on fools who don't know what time it is. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Any punk doesn't think I lost my step because of what happened? Because of what happened to my knee and such? Well, he in for a surprise. A rude, painful surprise. Ah! How you doing? You know there's no smoking on campus, son!
To be honest, I wish I had 10 Andrew Buckles on Team Res Life.
I just do my job, man. I do what my abilities allow me to do. And do I enjoy what I do? Yeah. You don't come to my house, kick my dog, and take my cup of ballpoint pens? You must be out of your mind.